The assembly elections have put the spotlight on West Bengal. You need statistics on all the state elections ever conducted there in independent India. How do you do it? Here are 2 ways in which you can go about doing this. 1. You could visit the website of the Election Commission of India, click on Media and Publications, click on Publications, go to Election Result and Statistical Reports, click on General Election to State Legislative Assembly, scroll down to find West Bengal, click on the years you're interested in, click Download this file, and download as many of the reports as you need from within the drop-down for each year. Once all that is done, you can get down to compiling the numbers from the hundreds of pages across these reports, collate and clean all the data, and analyze the stats manually. This process should take at least 4 hours, and that's a conservative estimate. The second option is that you could visit dataful.in, log in or create an account, search West Bengal Assembly elections, click on the relevant dataset, check the dataset preview to see if it has the information you need. Here, you can see the period for which you are getting data, which is every election to the assembly from 1951, and it will be updated after the results for the 2026 polls are out. Finally, download this one all-encompassing dataset in your preferred format. So what's it gonna be? Hours of scraping bits of raw data from massive reports, collating and cleaning it, or downloading a cleaned, ready-to-use dataset from Dataful? Subscribe to a Dataful plan today and get access to our vast collection of cleaned, ready-to-use datasets across sectors.